Welcome. I am Payne. This is the Painful Budgeter, and I am doing my weekly Sunday thingy and shout out and other thingy mabobber. I've been doing too many videos lately. I don't even know what channel I'm on half the time. Today I'm actually going to be doing 2 videos and then editing some of my Happy Planner videos. And I'm still working on some of my other stuff. So yeah, I don't know how you guys keep everything together and do so many different types of games and tracking your budgeting and that type of stuff, doing the budgeting my brain's not working. More coffee, please. Here we go. Let's see if I can get my brain to engage. I'm kind of struggling with a little ADHD burnout lately, so it's like my brain and all the other things I wanted to do are not quite working together properly. All right, let's just move on. I'm sure it'll come to me. Anyways, today we are working with about a little less than $300. I used a little bit for some craft supplies, and I went and got me some Chinese because I was doing door dashing all weekend, and I'm like, screw this. I need some fried pork goodness. Oh, and it got me some sweet and sour dinner thingy, and I asked for a wonton soup, or maybe I was thinking of something else, and they gave me egg drop soup, but it was still really nummy, and I'm not gonna complain because I like both of them. All right, we have $100, 20, 40, 60, 80, $200. Ugh. I need to make some shorts. Maybe in October I'll do so, like short October or something like that. Because I need to brush up on. I always forget to do shorts out of these videos. When I go and edit them, I load them up, and then it's like 2 in the morning, and it's like, I'll do it later, and then I never do it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. I think I just skipped something, because I'll try that again. Second. Like I said, my brain is just not. Yesterday got like 3 hours of sleep. Today I think I got decent sleep, but I'm still playing catch up, and yeah. All right. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85. I don't know how people can do those things where they're just like, and they're like done. And it's like going, what? What? My brain's skipping ahead three spots trying to figure out what the next 3 things are going to be. And yeah. All right. That's what you get for your brain doesn't work normally. Anyways, let's see. We have me and my normal teal. Well, sorry, I need to do the little MSSAR, whatever the heck they call it. I'm going to do some coffee. I'm going to put $5 in there, but I actually just refilled my coffee, so I'm actually taking that coffee $5. Let's separate this stuff, make my life a little easier. And I'm going to take that, because I just put actually I put $10. Or did I put 15? I don't know. I'll just put 15, and I'm taking that, putting that back in the bank thingy. And then at the end of the month, I'll either take this stuff back to the bank, or I'll use it for one of my weekly things. Thingies. That way I don't have to take as much money out of the bank, since I'm kind of in between jobs. Like I said, I've been starting to do Uber this last week, which I made like $120. But I was still kind of figuring out. I think I spent like $30 or $40 on gas, because I was like, oh, I'm going to go up to the 15 minutes up to the town above us and see if there's anything over there. No, I was just getting like $3 freaking rides left and right, and I got a couple really good ones in the evenings. But yeah, my area I live in is not the busiest, so it's like if I was up in a major town or something, it'd probably be a little better. But I'm kind of out in the boonies. So $100 for the boonies isn't bad. And here, of course, the minute I'm filming, here comes Dad. 60. Oh, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 125. So I have 125 in the go to back to the bank thing. Like I said, I might end up just using it at the end of the month when I'm a little tight. So I only have to take out a little bit because I've only been taking out about 300 instead of my normal 5 or more. Why is it you always show up the minute I'm doing some stuff?
You're getting ready to do it, huh?
Yeah.
Good.
I'm doing here's 100 for Dad for his pay thingy. I'll probably end up having to get him more later.
That's fine.
So far we have 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
340, 350 so far.
Not good. I might have to use it for my mortgage stuff.
Like I said, if you need a little bit more than
I won't need it for
that,
another week.
you'll probably get an extra 100 in there, a little more. So if you need a little more, just let me know and I'll dig into my thing. I have an extra 100 in my going back to the bank that I can use.
Alright, we're fine.
Car, I'm not doing anything this week because I just paid it, so I'm gonna go off 1 week and then I'll start up again tomorrow. That way I can use the extra 100.
Just go to work, will you?
I'm trying. I'm trying. I'm in the process.
How's when do you meet up again?
Wednesday, since it's holiday break.
Oh.
And so,
they don't go back to work till.
No, they like to have their days off too, apparently. So we'll go back Wednesday. So
Hopefully they'll be ready to start.
they should be doing the third party.
Then.
They should be doing the third party and thingies. That way we can actually get onto the bus and do the training itself.
Yeah. All right.
But I have to get my third party done
No
so I can get the new
wonder they're
license.
so damn slow.
Yeah, I ain't gonna
Then
get
you
paid
got
for a couple
Christmas
months.
holiday coming up.
Yeah,
All right.
it's gonna be tight.
Did you make it to the gym?
Yes.
Oh, you did. Good. You got somebody sleeping in the bed out there.
I know.
Did he come in last night?
Yeah.
Okay.
Say bye to everybody. I'm recording.
We're gonna have pork chops and potatoes tomorrow.
Okay.
All right. For dinner.
I had potatoes for breakfast.
All right.
Hey, Grandpa Terrell. 10. Did I put groceries? I need, but I'm gonna put just 40 in there since I still have $10 from last week, so it'll be 50. Usually I do 60 or more. Target, I'm actually just gonna roll. See if I can get a little extras. Oh hey, look at that. Got that. $3, and I need. Do we have any? Okay, got $3. Put 5. I'll take $2 back. I'll put that over here. So $5. It's like I want to add some stuff to it, but I don't really have a whole lot, so I'll just, who knows. See if I had the money, I could do a 5 or 6. For babies, they need $30. Expensive. Pets are expensive. Love them to death, but my God, they're expensive. Gas, I'm actually going to up mine to 20 since I've been doing a little bit more door dashing and stuff, so I wasted too much money this week on it. I'm going to just keep it close. I've been just turning it on while I'm doing stuff at home, and if it's worth taking, then I go out and grab it. Fix it. It'll be $5. I'm going to build that back up, so it's coming winter. I'll probably need some washer blades. 5. Got 20 in there. Usually end up changing them out. Crafts, I'm gonna roll for it. 5. That's easy. Don't have to break any cash. I did get $10 actually from crafts this week, so actually I should put some of that into back to the bank. 1, 2, 3. Actually, it was $7, so I'll just put $7 going back to the bank. So I still have 23 in here. That will go. I'll just spending. I'm gonna roll as well because I've been wanting to get some like just stuff. And that'll be 4. Let's see, do we have anything here? Put 5 and put $1 back. Yep, and a 5. There are lots of 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's put. Is that 5? Yeah, 5. Sorry, today I'm a little bit scattered brain. And I guess I'm just tired. Just not enough sleep. That's usually how it does it. Clothing. I got clothes. I'm going to put $5 because I do need to start changing my clothes to something that fits me better. I usually go to the DI. I need some new shirts. Mine of them are really sad and looking holy. $25. Plus, I like to go hang out with my friend. She likes to go to the DI and craft and likes to do stuff. Did I just do that? Or what did I do? Spending. Okay. I don't know. Oh yeah. Back to the bank. I'll put that back in here. Whoop. There goes another one of these. I need some new. I'll fix that later. You guys need some new ones. Alrighty. Alright, got all of them taken care of. I need to. I wanted to do the 100. I want to at least do with the 100 envelope challenge at least once a month because I don't have a lot of money, but if I can at least put $25 in it once a month, I'm still making progress. So let's see. I'm going to put 25 and 25. And going up, I'm going to be doing $30 up to 30. Oh, I do have 120 I can do. 24. I usually always round up to the nearest 5. So I don't have more than like 3 bills on me. And if I absolutely have to, I can always use this money to get me through this transition into being a bus driver. But that's why you use it. You have it. So originally I wanted to use this to upgrade my house, but you got to be able to live. And I'd rather hold off on some of it for a year or two, and then once I get monetized. Oh, jeez, I got a call. It's calling me. Decline. Well, I forget when you interact with the phone when someone calls you, it turns it off. So none of the scratchers was filmed, but so I've scratched off some of the abundant budgeter and some stuff and budgets. And so I put about $20 there. I had a little bit of money left over. I'm going to put it in my mini Mondays. And I will... I'm not driving. And then I'm going to just do another video. Probably have it come out for Monday. So I'll have an extra video for mini Mondays. And so... if you like the scroll brain type of mode going on I have on today, go and see some of my other videos. I will see you next time. I love y'all. Bye.